Hello everyone, this is Payal Verma and welcome you all to Classroom. Today we have a really big news for you that CBSE has finally reduced 30% of syllabus from 9th standard to 12th standard. So today in this video we are going to discuss the detailed structure that has been deleted from the syllabus for economics, and also we are going to discuss the syllabus which is going to come in our annual board examination. So let's start this. This is the syllabus for 11th standard economics. The whole syllabus has been divided in two parts, that is part A, statistics for economics, and part B, introductory microeconomics. In part A, there are 3 units: introduction, collection, organization and presentation of data, statistical tools and interpretation. As we move towards part A, the topics which has been deleted are as follows. Unit 1, introduction. This unit is coming as it is in the examination. Nothing has been deleted from this unit. And unit 2, collection, organization and presentation of data. In this unit also nothing has been deleted. This unit is coming as it is in the examination. In unit 3, statistical tools and interpretation, the topics which has been deleted from this unit are measures of dispersion, absolute dispersion, range, quartile deviation, mean deviation and standard deviation, relative dispersion, coefficient of range, coefficient of quartile deviation, coefficient of mean deviation, coefficient of relation. In topic correlation, Spearman's rank correlation has been deleted. Introduction to index number, index of industrial production has been deleted. The remaining topics are coming as it is in the examination. As we move towards part B, introductory microeconomics, in unit 4, introduction, the topic which has been deleted is the concept of production possibility curve. The remaining topic in this unit are coming as it is for the examination. In unit 5, consumer equilibrium and demand, nothing has been deleted from this unit. Everything is coming as it is in the examination. As we move towards unit 6, producer behavior and supply, the topics which has been deleted from this unit is producer equilibrium meaning and its condition in terms of marginal revenue and marginal cost. Remaining topic is coming as it is in the examination. In unit 7, forms of market and price determination under perfect competition with simple application. In this unit, the topic that has been deleted is other market forms, monopoly, monopolistic competition, their meaning and features. The remaining topics are coming as it is in the examination. Now, this is the syllabus for economics standard 12. The syllabus is also divided in two parts. Part A, introductory macroeconomics, and part B, Indian economic development. Part A has 5 units that are national economics and related aggregates, money in banking, determination of income and employment, government budget and the economy, and balance of payments. In part B, Indian economic development, there are development experience 1947 to 90 and economic reforms since 1991, current challenges facing Indian economy, development experience of India in comparison with neighbors. As we move towards introductory macroeconomics, the topics which has been deleted are as follows. In unit 1, national Indian and related aggregates, nothing has been deleted from this unit. Everything is coming as it is in the annual board examination. In unit 2, money and banking. The topic that has been deleted from this are control of credit through bank rate, CRR, FLR, repo rate and reverse repo rate, open market operation and margin requirements. Remaining topics are coming as it is in this whole unit. As we move towards Unit 3, determination of income and employment, nothing has been deleted from this unit. Everything is coming as it is in the annual board examination, as well as in Unit 4. Nothing has been deleted in this unit as well. The topic which has been deleted from Unit 5, balance of payment, are balance of payment deficit meaning determination of exchange rate in a free market. These two topics has been deleted from this unit. Everything is coming as it is in this unit for the annual board examination. As we move towards our part B, Indian economic development, Unit 6, development experience and economic reforms since 1991. In this whole unit, nothing has been deleted and everything is coming as it is in the annual board examination. As we move towards Unit 7, current challenges facing Indian economy, the topic that has been deleted are growth of education sector in India, alternate farming, organic farming. And the next topic that has been deleted is energy. Remaining topics are coming as it is in the annual board examination. As we move towards our next unit, 8, that is development experience of India, nothing has been deleted from this unit. It is coming as it is in the annual board examination. So these are the topics that has been deleted and the topics that are going to come in your examination. If you have liked this video, please like, subscribe and share, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.